Hi guys! Today I will show you how to crochet Alpine Stitch. On my website you will find 6 colorways to use with this stitch, as well as photo tutorial and a written pattern. All the details and links are in the description box below. If you like this video, please leave a comment, click the thumbs up button or subscribe to my channel. For this tutorial I chose 3 mini skeins of DMC cotton yarn, and that's because I want to show you how to change colors. Of course you can start with only one color of yarn for the entire swatch if you want. I will start with pink yarn. I also have 2mm crochet hook. Remember that you can use any yarn and corresponding hook to make this stitch. I start with a slip knot and foundation chain. You need an even number of stitches to start. I decided to go with 20. Your first 3 rows are very easy. It's a row of single crochet stitches, then a row of double crochet stitches, and again single crochet. If you are familiar with basics, feel free to skip to 4th row, in which the pattern starts to change. I start with my first row. Make 1 chain stitch, then make 1 single crochet in each stitch of the row. Remember that this 1 chain stitch at the beginning does not count as a stitch. Here I'm working the last single crochet stitches of the row. Make sure you worked that last stitch. Now onto the second row, which is all double crochet stitches. Start with 3 chains, turn your work over and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Remember that your turning chain counts as your first stitch, so you need to skip the first stitch of the row. I'm now working toward the end of my row 2. Again, make sure you have the count right. Row 3 is single crochet stitches again. Make 1 chain stitch and work 1 single crochet in every stitch of the row. I'm now finishing my row 3. It's often hard to get into this last 1 stitch, and many people work it around the chains. I don't like the gap it leaves, that's why I'm struggling here to insert my hook in the top stitch. Now our base is ready. Next row is where our Alpine stitch is going to become visible. Start with 2 chain stitches and turn your work over. Next we are going to make an elongated double crochet. It means that it's attached lower than usual. Yarn over. Insert your hook behind your double crochet from row 2. Pull the loop and gently pull it up. Now pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the hook, just like you would in regular double crochet. Then pull through another 2. Now we need to make a regular double crochet, but look carefully. Your elongated double crochet left 1 stitch just hanging there, right behind it. We need to skip it and work a normal double crochet in the next stitch. Let's yarn over and make it. Now onto the next elongated double crochet. Skip 1 double crochet from row 2 and choose the next. Yarn over, put your hook behind it and pull the yarn gently to the desired height. Then work it like you would a standard double crochet. Your hook should be on the level of your turning chain, so adjust the tension here. Getting your tension right is the hardest part in this technique, but after a couple of rows you will make it with ease. Can you see the pattern now? Continue like so until the end of the row. 1 elongated DC and 1 regular DC. I will meet you toward the end of this row. Now when you get to your last 2 stitches, you may want to finish with elongated DC. Don't do it though. Your last stitch should be a regular double crochet, so that you have 2 of them at the end of this row. Row 5 is all single crochet stitches. Again, start with 1 chain stitch, turn your work over and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will meet you at the end of this row. Now it's a good time to change the color if you want. To do it, leave your last single crochet unfinished. It means that you still have 2 loops on your hook. Now take another color of yarn and keep it with your fingers behind your swatch. Carefully yarn over and pull it through both of your loops, finishing the stitch. You can pull the yarn ends gently to secure it, but you are now good to go. Keep the ends with your fingers and make 2 chain stitches to start your row 6. Turn the work over. Be very careful because newly attached yarn likes to slip out. Now we need to make 1 regular double crochet. Remember to skip the first stitch because turning chain works as our first double crochet of the row. Now make your elongated double crochet, but go for the stitch that sits between the elongated double crochets from the previous rows. Work it exactly the same way and make regular double crochets in between, always remembering about skipping 1 stitch. Continue like that for the whole row. Looks nice, right? I will meet you at the end of the row. In this row, your last 2 stitches should be elongated double crochet and regular double crochet. After this row, we will again make the whole row of single crochets. You can now see pink peeking through the blue spikes. That's what makes this stitch great for working with colors. That's basically it. Continue to repeat rows from 3 to 6. As you can see, the back of the swatch looks quite cool too, especially if you change up the colors every 2 rows. That's it. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!